the derivative of y equals tangent cubed of x. Let's solve this step by step using the chain rule. First, let's recall what the chain rule tells us. The chain rule states that when we have a composite function, we multiply the derivative of the outer function by the derivative of the inner function. In our case, we can think of this as the cube function on the outside and tangent of x on the inside. Let's rewrite our function to make this clearer. Now let's apply the chain rule. The derivative of the outer function, which is the cube function, is 3 times the function to the power of 2. Then we multiply by the derivative of the inner function. We need to recall that the derivative of tangent x is secant squared x. Now we can substitute this back into our chain rule expression. This gives us 3 tangent squared x times secant squared x. Let's visualize what this derivative means geometrically. Here's the graph of y equals tangent cubed of x, and here's its derivative. Notice how the derivative becomes very steep near the vertical asymptotes of the original function. This is because both tangent and secant become very large near these points. To summarize, we found that the derivative of tangent cubed of x is 3 tangent squared x times secant squared x. We used the chain rule and recalled that the derivative of tangent x is secant squared x.